Protect your Florida home from pests this Valentine's month. Florida's warm, humid climate makes your home a year-round target for pests like termites, ants, mosquitoes, and rodents. Show your home some love this Valentine's Day by scheduling regular pest control. Routine treatments prevent health risks, structural damage, and food contamination. Most homes benefit from quarterly pest control and annual termite inspections, while high-activity areas may need monthly visits. Stay vigilant for signs like droppings, chewed materials, or musty odors. Plan seasonal pest control to keep your sanctuary safe and pest-free year-round.